In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo Studio. To get started, log in with an administrator account so you have the permissions needed to make changes. This is important because Odoo Studio is designed for customization, and without the right access, some options may not appear or may be restricted. Once you're inside Odoo, navigate to the specific app or model you want to customize, such as CRM. It's usually best to begin in the exact area where you want your changes to appear because Studio works directly on top of the current screen and lets you edit that part of the system in context. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Studio toggle icon, which looks like a wrench and screwdriver. As soon as you open it, you'll enter customization mode. This is where Odoo Studio becomes especially useful because you can visually adjust your app layout without needing to write code. At any point, if you want to return to the normal database view, simply click the close button in the upper right corner. That exits Studio and takes you back to the regular interface so you can quickly compare the editing view with the live user view. When customizing existing apps, one of the most common tasks is adding fields. To do that, drag and drop the fields into the layout where you want them to appear. This makes it easy to tailor forms to match your workflow and collect the exact information your team needs. You can also switch between different view layouts using the top menu options. For example, you may move between form, list, Kanban, pivot, or calendar views to reorganize how your data is displayed. This is helpful because different teams often prefer different ways of working with the same information. If you click on any field, you can adjust its settings. You can change the label, make the field mandatory, set it to read only, or hide it dynamically based on specific conditions. These options are especially useful when you want to simplify the user experience and make forms more consistent. If you want to create something from scratch instead of modifying an existing app, open Studio from the home dashboard and select New App. Then name your app and choose a custom icon design or upload an official logo so it's easy to recognize. After that, define your first data model. This is the core structure of your app and determines what kind of records it will manage. You can then choose suggested features that automatically generate useful functionality, such as chatter for messaging, user assignment, tags, or pipeline stages. Finally, complete the app creation, and Odoo will automatically generate the default views and configure user access rights for you.